Hello children, in this video I'll show you how to animate stick figures. Before that we'll see what is animation. When a set of pictures are displayed quickly in series, it looks like movement of pictures. So this is called as animation. See, if I create all these pictures in different frames and if I play quickly, it looks like a movement. So this is called animation. Now we learned what is animation. Now let us see how to create this animation using stick figure. Okay. So for this we have Stykes program. So click on the start button, select all programs, select Stykes folder, click on this Stykes. We'll get the Stykes figure. Here you can see the welcome center. So the Stykes welcome center has 4 options, namely open a recent document, create a new document, getting started and tutorials. If you just click blank document, it will create empty stage. Right? Okay. If you want, shortcut is available here. If you click on default document, it will open Stykes window with the default stick figure. Okay. This stick figure has nodes and segments. The lines, the circles are the nodes. Okay. And this red color dots which helps to rotate the hands, the legs and the body. These are called pivot nodes. The red color nodes are called as pivot nodes, which helps to rotate the hand, legs, head and body independently. The drag node, this yellow color node is called as the drag node, which helps to move the entire stick figure within the stage. To move it, just click on this red color and press the left mouse button and drag it, and if you release the left mouse button, it will be placed. This red color button helps to move the stick figure to different places. Now we'll see how to create animation. Now my stick figure is standing here, right? Let me give movements using new frame. Just click on this new frame button. This will create another keyframe, right? In this, I am moving this stick figure. You can see the trace of the old one which is available in the first frame. You can lift its hands up. It's just a game, children. If you want to do with different actions, you can do. Right? I am just giving hands up, hands down movement. And moving to different place. If you want to do it in same place, you can do. Right? So like this, you can create as many frames you want. Okay. Now we'll play. Right? Done. If you want to reduce the speed, you can reduce this speed controller and play. Now it stopped once. If you want it to be repeated, you can use this loop button and play. So this process will do continuously. So like this, you can create different animations on your own. Try it by yourself, children. I help you to complete the book exercise for chapter 8 and 9. Take page number 79. First Roman letter, fill in the blanks. The dash is represented by a circle. In Stykes, what is represented by a circle? Head. The body is represented by straight lines. The dash is a very simple type of drawing made of lines and circles. Stick figure. Dash is a blank white area where you can draw stick figures. Stage. Now we'll move to second Roman letter. State true or false. Frame space is a space to view the frames that are created. Yes. Stick figure are hard to draw. False. It is easy to draw. The welcome center has 3 options. No, false. It has 4 options. The controller contains commands to play, rewind, loop and control the speed of animation. Yes, true. Answer the following. You write down in the dash given below the question. First question, what is a stick figure? Stick figure is a very simple type of drawing made of lines and circles. Second question, why stick figures are used? Stick figures are very popular in the world of clip arts and icons. How to launch sticks? Click on the start button, click on the sticks folder and click on the sticks icon. If there is no place, please mark down on page number 71, step 1, step 2, step 3. At the bottom it is given. Fourth question, what does the figure properties window contain? The figure properties window contains options to change the color of the stick figures. Now we'll move to next chapter, page number 87. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The dash has nodes and segments. Stick figure has nodes and segments. The dash nodes are represented by red dots and used for rotating the segments. Pivot. When a set of pictures are displayed quickly in a series, it is called an animation. You can control the speed of the animation by clicking on the up and down arrows in the speed controller. The animation can be repeated continuously using the loop button. True or false? The rewind button helps you to replay the animation. True. Animation is a quick display of sequence of images. True. The squares and rectangles are called segments. False. The yellow dot is called the drag node. True. Pause button is used to play the animation. False. The lines and circles are called segments, but here it is given the squares and rectangles are called segments, so false. Rearrange the jumbled letters. Can you guess what it is? Animation. Second one, frames. Next one, controller. Stage. Rewind. Answer the following questions. First one, which node is used to move the entire stick figure within the stage? Drag node. What are frames? Yes, frames are small boxes in which each movement or changes that you do on the stage to the stick figure will be stored. It is given in page number 81. You can mark it. Last paragraph. Next question, which button helps you to create new frames? New frame. Which dot do you use to move the hand upward? Yes, red dot. That is pivot node. From where can you select the play, rewind and loop buttons in stacks? Controller panel. Thank you, children.